Today, Justin Johnson here. So we're gonna do, we're gonna review all of my nerfs. Totally, I have 9 nerfs with my strife, but my strife is broken actually, and my crossbow. So first, we're gonna start with the nerf fire strike. No, the nerf fire strike. So easy to you. It's so easy to use actually, the Nerf fire strike. See this? You see this? Just pull it through it, pull it, put 3 bullets, and shoot it. Reload. Done. That's easy. So that's the nerf fish. Then now we got the nerf reflex. Nerf reflex is also easy to use it. Just pull, and shoot it. But if you use this one, this dart, I think it will not be so strong to shoot it. You see, it's not strong or enough to shoot. See, I don't want to get out. And then the third is Nerf Zombie Strike Double Strike. It's also easy, not so easy. Just pull this one at the back, shoot it. Pull it again. Just use with your thumb, don't like this. Just use with your thumb. See, thumb. Then that's easier. Thumb. So I got the Nerf Zombie Strike bullets here. I'm gonna test fire it. Oh! Done. Shoot it. That's quite strong actually, the Nerf Double Strike. And the third, we have the Nerf Retaliator. So this one, the Nerf Retaliator. Actually, it have 2 sides. See? Put it here. This one connect here. See? See this one? The open side. And you see this one? This one, see? Upper part. So put it in like this. And the upper side, put it in. Then turn it. There you go, the Nerf Retaliator. This is the Nerf. Now I'm gonna show you how to shoot it. We got the Nerf clip here, Nerf clip Retaliator. Just wanna 3 dots. See, 3 dots here. That's to shoot it. 3 dots. So let's go. Put it in like this. Don't pull it like this. It'll be broken. Put it like this. Okay. Now, if it's close, don't push your clip. Pull first. Pull, then your clip. Push your clip in. Push your clip in. Shoot. Oh my god. Shoot. So it's actually hard to, but careful. If you are doing a Nerf war, don't do like this. So the dirt will fall down, or like this. The dirt will fall down and you lose the dirt. Your enemy will take the dirt. So just like this and shoot. Okay. Then the fourth one. Then the fourth one, we have Nerf Strong Arm. Strong Arm is easy to use, and you can put the scope in here. Yeah, you can put the scope. If you want to reload, just press this button, press it, and pull this. See this? Press this first and pull it. This actually can be 6 darts, but I'm just gonna use 5 darts. And put it here. And okay, this one more. So it will become 6 darts. It's easy to shoot and reload. See, if you're having fun, easy reload. Have 6 darts to shoot it. So the next one, the Nerf Strike Jaw. It's very small actually, but it shoots very strong. Shoot very strong. See, it's very strong. The Nerf Jaw. You see this? It's very fast and strong. And now, move on the. Move on. Move on to Nerf Triad XD. So back to the Nerf Triad XD. So you just gotta shoot. It replaced 3 darts. You see, 1, 2, 3. It can shoot everywhere. 1, 2. It is like the Nerf Jaw. You just pull it here, pull it, then shoot it. Now move on to the Nerf Crossbow. The Nerf Crossbow. One thing that's broken. This is the broken Nerf Crossbow. I'm just gonna show you. So it works like Retaliator. The Retaliator like this one. The Nerf Crossbow is also like that. Like that. Okay? Like this. That's the Nerf Crossbow. How to shoot. Now move on to the Nerf Modulus, the upgrade kit. See this 3 Nerf Modulus upgrade kit. You can put it on Retaliate actually. Just like this. So this. Just choose. You want to use this or this. Me, like this. Put it in. Then put this one in. Pull it. Don't, guys. This is a reminder warning for you. Don't put it here. Don't put it the real position. Put it here. See it? Like this. Put it like this. Okay? So, and this too. Put it like this. Okay, so it looks like this. Cool, right? And the clip. Small clip. Nerf retaliator with upgrade kit. Now we're gonna move on. Nerf long shot scope. It's also like the Nerf scopes, the Nerf modular scope, and the Nerf Longshot CS6 scope. The Nerf's Longshot CS6. See this, like this, okay? Nerf Longshot scope. If the Nerf modular scope is like this, see that? More easy to shoot out with this. So thank you guys. The darts actually have broken darts like this. You see that? But I think it can shoot a little bit. Okay, thanks guys for watching and subscribe please.